Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Two numbers r and s are each greater than 0 and the fourth root of r is equal to the seventh root of s. For what value of x is r to the power of 4x negative 5 equal to s? Okay, now let's consider this stuff over here. There is the fourth root of r is equal to the seventh root of s. Fourth root of r is equal to seventh root of s. And we have to find the value of x when r to the power of 4x negative 5 is equal to s. Let me write over here. R to the power of 4x negative 5 is equal to s. That is, we have to solve for x in this equation. Okay, now what we can do is we can solve for s in this equation. Once we get the value of s, that we can plug in for s over here and solve for x in this equation. Okay, to solve for s in this equation, we can write the radicals on both sides as exponent. Okay, here we have radical with the index 4. When I write this radical as an exponent, the exponent will be a fraction with numerator 1. And the denominator will be the index of the radical, that is 4. That is a fourth root can be written as an exponent 1 over 4. The same thing we can do on the right side, then we get s to the power of 1 over 7. Now to solve for s, we have to get rid of this exponent 1 over 7. For that we have to raise both sides of this equation to the power of 7. Okay, let me do it. So here power 7, here it has to be raised to the power of 7. Okay, here your power is raised to another power. Whenever your power is raised to another power, we have to multiply the two exponents. Then we get r to the power of 1 over 4 times 7. And on the right side also the same thing. We have to multiply these two exponents and I'm getting 1 over 7 times 7. Okay, here this 7 will cancel out. R to the power of, when I multiply 1/4 and 7, I am getting 7 over 4. That is 7 times 1 is 7, 7 over 4. On the right side, we get s to the first power. S to the first power can also be written as just s. Okay, here I have solved for s, then s equals to r to the power of 7 over 4. Now what we can do is we can plug in this r to the power of 7 over 4 for s over here in this equation. Then we get r to the power of 4x negative 5 equals to r to the power of 7 over 4. Here two powers are equal with the same base r on the left side and right side. Whenever two powers are equal with the same base, we can equate the exponents. Then we get 4x negative 5 equals to 7 over 4. Now we have to solve for x in this equation. Let me add 5 to both sides of the equation. This negative 5, positive 5 will cancel out. I am getting 4x equals to 7 over 4, positive 5. On the right side, we are adding a fraction and an integer. Whenever I want to do addition or subtraction between a fraction and an integer, I have to multiply the integer by the denominator of the fraction. Once I am done with the multiplication, I can take the existing denominator as a common denominator. Let me continue over here. That is 4x equals to 7 positive. Let's multiply this integer 5 by the denominator 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Now we can take this 4 as a common denominator. Okay, then we get 4x equals to 7 positive 20 is 27 over 4. Now to solve for x, we have to get rid of the number 4 which is multiplied by x. For that we have to multiply both sides of the equation by 1/4. Let me do it. This 4 will cancel out. 1 times x is x. On the right side 27 times 1 is 27 and 4 times 4 is 16. Here I got the value of x, that is 27 over 16. When x is 27 over 16, r to the power of 4x negative 5 is equal to s.